I would be curious to know, in the category of things that you have looked at that you simply cannot attribute it, you just don't know what it is. What do you do with that, and do you have thoughts about what it might be that you want to share? And how do you get your head around that analytically?
That's a great question. So let me tease that out a little bit. So we did put out on the website a video of one of those orbs, right? That we don't know what it is. Right now, we did that for a couple of reasons. One, I'm never going to get any more data for that event, right? There is nothing else I can do.
Until you invent a time machine.
Until I invent the time machine to go back, and I will have no more data for that video. That is all the data we have. As a consequence, I will never be able to say with any certainty that I can resolve that. So that is an unresolved case.